Welcome to the Volume Language channel. Today, we will explore one of the infrastructure works in the Bantul area, namely the Kulon Progo Bridge. This bridge is not just a link between two districts, but is also a progress and challenge faced by the local community. In this video, we can see two different bridges. The first is a newly completed bridge with strong and modern construction, ready to serve the traffic flow from Kulon Progo to Bantul. On the other hand, there are bridges that are no longer functioning because the ground has shifted and collapsed. This incident is certainly a serious concern for local residents. This collapsed bridge is a reminder of the importance of maintaining infrastructure. With natural disasters frequently occurring, the safety and resilience aspects of bridges become very crucial. When this bridge is damaged, many residents are affected, both in transportation and daily activities. The local government has taken steps to ensure accessibility is maintained. Plans to build a new bridge and other infrastructure improvements are currently under discussion. This is a new hope for communities that depend on safe and efficient transportation. We can see here vehicle traffic passing the Kulon Progo Bridge because this bridge is also a social and economic link between cultural, agricultural and industrial areas in both districts. With sustainable development and attention to safety, it is hoped that this bridge can function optimally and connect society better. This bridge also opens up new opportunities for tourism. With stunning natural views, the area around the Kulon Progo Bridge is an attraction for tourists. This place offers a variety of interesting activities and views that are pleasing to the eye, making it an attractive destination for visitors. So, what do you think about this Kulon Progo Bridge? Are there any interesting experiences or stories you want to share? Write your opinion in the comments column below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who might also be interested in development, infrastructure, and natural beauty. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this content and want to see more about the infrastructure and beauty around us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate notifications. See you in the next video and the Volume Lanjut channel.